Hello everyone. So I have Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K today I bought it from Best Buy. You can buy it from Amazon, Best Buy, Target, Walmart. I think you can find it everywhere. So they have two kinds of Fire Sticks TV. I think Amazon Fire Stick TV. One is regular and this one is 4K. I think 4K is a little more expensive than regular one. So my 4K TV smart TV was giving me a hard time opening YouTube, so I just got this one. So this works with Alexa. It has Alexa remote, so you can just search using your voice, say Alexa find this, find that, and it'll listen to you, I guess. Let's open this up. I'm just doing the unboxing today, and I'm using one hand to unbox it because I'm holding the phone with another hand. Sorry about the low quality of the video. Here you go, it just slips out of the box. The black box looks nice. They pack it well. Let's see what's really inside. Open that up. It says Fire TV Stick 4K, some documents. Alexa voice remote, as I was telling you earlier, it works with Alexa. Let's see what we got here. Here is the Alexa remote, voice activated. Power adapter, Amazon power adapter. Look at that, it comes with battery too. Nice. And I think this one is the real Fire Stick. Sorry, like I said, I am using one hand to open this box and using another hand to hold the phone to record this video. So really sorry about this. Let's take this out. Come on, come on. Here you go, HDMI. You can just plug it into your TV HDMI port. And here is the power cable, USB. You can connect this to power adapter, and another end connects to the TV stick. And this is the extension for the actual Fire TV stick or adapter. If you have trouble putting or plugging the Fire Stick into your TV on the back, you can use the extension or the adapter, so you can just plug it in easily. Alright, I think this is all I have for you today on Fire Stick. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching my video very much. And I'll see you again. Bye bye.